My name is Frank Broadhead. I'm from Westchester County, and the reason I'm here today is because Wellpoint is one of the major obstacles in allowing Medicare for everybody. I have 2 grown sons without Medicare. I have Medicare, and I'd like to share my good luck with them. Thank you.
And are you going to risk arrest?
Yes, I am, and I think it's well worth it.
Have you ever risked arrest before?
Yes, I have, quite a long time ago. It's a great pleasure to work with these young people.
My name is Aloise Rathbone. I'm here because we pay taxes for police and firemen, and we should be able to have health care from taxes also. I don't see why we shouldn't put that on the same level. Everybody needs help some point, and it would be horrible if somebody had a fire on their house and they had to show their insurance, for fire, and that would be ridiculous. So,
are you risking arrest?
Yes.
My name is Simone Morse, and I'm here advocating for single-payer healthcare because the healthcare system we now have is not good enough. This insurer right here profits from people's deaths every year.
And why Wellpoint?
Why Wellpoint? Because Wellpoint essentially wrote the Finance Committee's healthcare bill.
And what do you think of the Finance Committee's healthcare bill?
It's not good enough. It's too watered down. We need single payer.
CEO Wellpoint, please.
You have to step up to the side.
I'm sorry, we need to talk to the CEO. We want to request that they stop spending money on lobbying in Washington, D.C. and use that money to save lives instead.
We'll get in contact.
Can we please go in?
No.
No, you won't let us in at all? We can't speak to anyone?
No.
Inside.
Well, what I was going to request is I'm going to sit down with the CEO and request that the CEO stop spending the millions and millions of dollars that they have been lobbying Washington to kill any healthcare reform in the hopes, and then use that money instead to go save lives. We need to get the health insurance companies out of Washington so that we can get real healthcare reform passed.
Great. And are you risking arrest today?
I am risking arrest today, yes. I probably will be incarcerated for some time and miss school. I'm a first-year medical student at SUNY Downstate, and I'm here to represent the medical student community.
And your name again?
Cameron Gibson.
All patients, not profits. Medicare for all. 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 Patients, not profits. Medicare for all.
I'm here because at the moment, the private insurance companies are controlling the outcome of healthcare reform in this country by contributing millions of dollars in lobbying efforts to our elected officials. The private insurance companies are the real death panels. We want a system that covers all Americans and cuts cost, and that system is Medicare for all.
And what's your name?
My name is Lori.
My name's Adam Miller. I'm here because I think the profit motive has no place in our health industry. I think it leads to profiteering at the expense of human lives, and I'm for universal health care, to a single-payer system that promotes people, not profits.
I'm here because at the moment, our elected officials are taking millions of dollars from private insurance companies to control the health care reform in this country. They are not listening to the American people. The American people want a universal health care system that covers all of them and cuts cost, and that system is Medicare for all.
I'm here today because in the 21st century, in the richest country in the world, it is outrageous that we do not have a system of free universal health care for everyone.
Medicare for all. People, not profits. 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 Medicare for all.
Not into the building. Told you once. Can't enter the building. Can't enter the building.
How can you let people die like this?
the profiteers!
Woo!
Arrest the profiteers!
Stay away. Guys, you can't be out in the street. Get on the sidewalk.
Arrest the profiteers! Arrest the profiteers!
Heroes for healthcare! 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 Heroes for healthcare!
Please step to the side, sir. Step to the side. Please don't interfere. Let's go. Step to the side.
Guys, you gotta clean this area. Stand on the sidewalk.
I'm gonna put your feet down.
All right, nice and easy.
Oh my God, wait. You gotta fucking work with me.
Heroin for healthcare! Heroin for healthcare!
Excuse us!
It's sick and dying. I'm gonna lay my body down.
Sing it, baby, sing it!
Arrest the real criminals! Arrest the real criminals! Arrest the real criminals!
Heroes for healthcare!
My name is Piora Barakis.
2 weeks ago, you got arrested outside of UnitedHealth. Why did you risk arrest?
I risked arrest because I believe that healthcare is a human right, and we have to all have healthcare. This is a very rich country, and all other countries have insurance except for third world countries, and we need to have it. We must have it now. I just want to thank the guys that were arrested, all of them. They're we're very proud of them because they're doing something for all humanity.